Hi there, fellow workshop lovers or people of the internet. Well, this sounded awkward. Anyways, what I'm gonna try and do this is my first vlog, so everything is probably gonna be a bit strange. But anyways, my vlog is about my workshop. About my instrument making. I'm actually a luthier, so most of my time I'm working on guitars, but sometimes I'm working on violins and electric guitars, and I'm making instruments, and I'm also doing some electrical stuff. But whatever comes to mind, I do it in my small, extremely small workshop. So that's why I'm here talking with you and not in my workshop, because there's just not much space. But for some of you, I think you might be interested in just seeing how I go about doing things in an extremely small space, because you want to sometimes replicate something that you see on YouTube, but you just can't, because you don't have a huge table saw and you don't have all the equipment. But rest assured, my workshop is just a few square meters. So yeah, meters. I'm from Europe. So anyways, back to what I'm gonna be doing today. My thing for today is to set up a necklace violin. And some of you might be wondering, what is a necklace violin? Well, I'm just gonna have to show you. It's just a regular sized violin, but they have a little bit more volume. So if you're gonna be playing with a symphony orchestra or something like that, it's not perhaps the best violin for it, because it will probably be a little bit louder than the rest of the instruments. But they have a great sound, and it's a high quality violin. I made this violin from a kit I bought a few years ago, and it's got a beautiful ebony fingerboard and a beautiful maple. It's not highly figured, so there's not much figure to it, but high quality materials anyways. But I'm going to be fitting it with a brand new tuners and with a new tailpiece. And so the next time you'll see me in my workshop working on my violin. And I'm also going to set it up for sale, and I'm just going to show you the whole process. So I think that, hopefully this is my first time again telling you this, but I'm going to have something to say every time I come here. So I'm going to go through something. So this time I'm going to set up this violin and set it up for sale, and then we'll just see where it goes from there. But one other thing, this is a brand new YouTube channel, so because it is, I need support so that I'll be able to create my URL for the channel. So if you are willing to help me out, press the subscribe button and also press the like button if you like this video. But next time when you see me, I'll be in my workshop starting the setup for the violin. Just trying to go about showing you some of the process I go through when setting up a violin. Well, basically all it needs now is just some strings, and then I'm gonna put it up for sale. And I will be showing you how I go about selling the violin after I've completed the whole process. It's not much more to do, but I found out that I have a problem with my strings. I need to get a new set of strings, and that's why I'm not gonna... There have been so many technical difficulties during the process, kind of ridiculous, but last week I was going to create my first vlog, but then I had a failure with my camcorder, or I'm using a DSLR camera, and I think it's maybe perhaps way too difficult. Right now I'm just using my phone, and I just want to show you, what my workshop looks like. So this is actually my home, and so over here you see that's just storage for all the stuff that we don't use anymore.
And then when I go in here, that's the whole workshop. And you can see that I'm working on all kinds of things. We have a Jaguar here, which is actually being made over here. And then I have a small CNC, I was almost going to say CNC music factory. Things that make you go, But, that's the real thing. It's a CNC carving machine. And yeah, basically that's it. You were perhaps able to see that, way over there I have the Telecaster I've been creating also. But I'm a big Telecaster fan. I think it's because the first guitar I learned how to play it was a Telecaster, and then I went to learn play classical music. But I'm more into blues and things like that right now. And I love violin music, and I love the ukulele because the ukulele is what makes everybody happy. I've never seen a sad person play the ukulele, but probably been done, but I haven't seen it yet. So anyways, this is my workshop, and I'm sorry for the sound also, but remember to subscribe, somewhere over there, I think. Somewhere down there, yeah.